can stop us
almost all my
now.
counts. It looks as if, say, everybody is talking about what happened on the stage. The little that they saw on TV and some omu taking off no. But me, the mimi who ye were outside of the dome after the course was staged no suye no. Eye nyame ene fa fie. Ne nyame ene doyen. Na nka de besi no anka nye ne de enei nkrofo gusu discuss on radio. What went on outside was very, very terrible. But unfortunately, industry players are now walk outside at that particular moment, no, weren't enough. Myself, DJ Vision, YFM, and then Sammy Flex. Yen kakre ye, you know, and na you who they see you are bunting. And if you want to trumpet what happened outside now, abusia, and yet, it may stations ni bebre fiti on power basis abre na they are all talking about their Cosmo stage na chata so ko na the stone boy no polygon. But me kakra me pese meka de mi hu ye ne de mi experience ye no. This is not Ghana. I am not here to say or point accusing fingers on Obia, but on my Ghana yema yeni enaho na yen timamufo nso yenye ahweye ade bi koso na enye na ye ka Ghana fo mimenti o empanimfo a mowo dibia, those in authority amu betimi de monai esi from I insist to say this thing should be done this way and not that way. No, please do your job. And pempi se niema bi koso na yehu na ebetna radio so na ye kan ye kasa asif say ye talkatives ye de kasa na ye de na ye kasa, but ade a yehu enye no ene sese ye kan obi ye bibi na ye nso a yabo nipa na ba so. That is how it's supposed to be. It is ade na nya na ye kan mo a mo betimi ehu bibi ama na ye yi no esese mo ye eme ye yi. Se nyame amfa fie na nketu no to stage no so a look at the dome. Exit no kra na won kra na yan. Baby a VIP side where I was sitting. One. And I believe that side one so echi one so no sa go no so sa. Tinka stampede anke be ba no. Tinka be pie mu aba no. May 9 fa no ho. Nyame ne yeda nase. So fa fie. Ema eye boko said di hunu. Now going forward, sa artist for me anyway. The day awards were gonna da na dance all one be a category be any baby. We were there. We were there. Dear Barney say Tetefone wo mu se menteme ho ase bitimi bam wo bi ni wetimi bakutia lumba timi ko bonu bi se we dia asem wo kan we dia twi kwadwantwi we dia de na na champion so akwa no abobo akwa nka be de na yo ya hwan na lumba de ba ko be fam de se also ya na we sa musically omo use omo words no mo ya no bi ade abone de ye kwa ba bi. But now the abaso say groups are sa anum to full way no more for me, and that is dangerous. A woman say krobia so no artists na way omo fan base obia won there, but said the year carry sa dey when yan hwe yi a ba bi e bedunu won e be ginsem because ene ye was sack natives war sack nation for more. You were beam nation for her. SM for so no more. Ebi akaka, Monka can't be church. Almost bebre. Say, will be our one day. Obia ya na watene de lewo enkura obi on de enkura from Wheezy Empire patapan so patupa soldiers on kwa de soldiers dom din so. And we've allowed this thing to grow and na do baby a dream. Look, if say be kan cry Shatawale sorry yes or cost stage no so whilst na yen frɛ no na yes Stone Boy na receiving award no. If it was Shatta alone who went on the stage and Anketu no share Stone Boy ho cry, he wouldn't have pulled the gun. I am telling you this. If it was Stone Boy alone on the stage no receiving award and Shatawale alone sorry call one more, I'm telling you Zen country too. Whatever Adiana Shatta Kwakoyo now what we are being told Nese or see he was going to make peace whether it was true or not. Senko no kwa na echo stage so this wouldn't have happened. But what did we see? A whole bunch of crew say loyalty. They've seen their master. They are following him. Baby obekobia. And look at what happened. Yeah. Say, wait for you, say. And they have huge following. And maybe me stay out kakra for, it was too late. Somewhere around 11:30, 45 there about getting to 12 midnight. Me share me fu kakra kanam say, hey, we dey adie family route ma. Timi na malo do inside do na mu say fuel station bi o mo point am we dey nyame me daase. Sebe na me ro preko pe me hu motorbikes bebre pip and I'm say, hey, by this time what is happening? Me ko hwa on a normal day when you said there was an event Shatawale Koni baby and the boys on bikes Charlie almost Scotland near day. And I'm like, really? I'm proud of be real fuel station baby. I'm so better for and see and put am coin and say, shut up. Charlie, your crew that. So Charlie, the love for the street. You see that thing? Now Charlie, we go talk later. And I left. Timmy up me and I'm say, hey, now President create Pierre na Greek grant is saying me say motorbikes. I couldn't count the motorbikes. Ya so sad we say so san ne amene ye kon. Moma yenhwe enema bi yi. Ye betimi ayemra o. Ye betimi ayemra. Macau, me, I have said this over here on this same platform time and again. Say on maya yen famra enye adwuma no. Basa yo de ye fa no kwa. Until say emra be ye adwuma no, there shall be no discipline. In our books, emra bebre wom. But why ne make sure say samran eye adwuma? Why ne make sure say emra eye adwuma e wo man mu? Nanka ye kwa koya awards nanka etuo kopie mu sen. Etuo ekopie mu sen. And now people over there, now people were worried at a point. My phone, I feel call Obia, are you okay? People who were watching the thing on TV, they were worried. People started calling their loved ones, trying to find out. So are you okay now? As if they to we already. Is this Ghana? My sorry, ye dry who say ye peaceful nation ye music awards keke. If we yentimi anhwa anso ano a ene na abato nso ebekọ sen ene na abato nso bekọ sen music awards. And these same people you amudi Shatta echi, these same people amudi Stone Boy echi, these same people amudi the other ones ni na so echi no omo aso na sign the political parties echi omo the same youth, the same boys yentimi anhwe an control sa mabumi a dachi ye benu ye ho ba bedu ono na ka akiri medamase bebre 0302 216 561 0302 216 562 Obia sending message adena the course we akiri ono manka me say I don't want to trumpet what happened outside of the dome nano ne de e baaye de a ankenye. If cameras were there and a capture the course wa bonten ho na and not on the stage now. And me, asumdwe na mehwehwe. I don't want to touch on that. Nyame ne yeda na ase so fa fi. E ma said the call no, a call no sir. Hello, good afternoon.
Yeah, hello, good afternoon.
About your frost, I mean, you abema.
The Papa Koju.
Papa Kwaba. You.
Then Yamiasi, send me that meeting come.
Amen.
Yago Pony, Abe Mian or Emi. Medesana Meka.
Amen.
Akayanka Sanga Nipana or the Abasa season. And I ain't gonna for so. Yago Pony, Obey and Emi. Because or the BBR my. You subani and near Ukrum Hanum and one a train sign. The Bia any okay. Say, I say, Suba or Mam, we more. See, and crop we so mechanics and politicians on bit the kill for granted. Down on bay into young Casan Nipana, Tikrum Han, yes, say Subani, say Subaya, Yabako, and that's it.
You, that's where that's a pie and fire next caller. Na into no so. Hello.
Hello.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
If I try for saying,
but your family Dominic, Casafria Denta.
Dominic and Marco and Patrick with you.
Satawali no, I see what, yeah, Casaya boys and a high womb. Oku baby and a boy didn't hear, but and you're fine. Well, I got two, I got many boy and I can miss two. Obi will cry and family. What is it?
Eh, the man, Obi are not you. That's a grass mystery. You're from next caller. Hello.
Hello.
Yes, good afternoon.
Afternoon, Mr. Gary.
If I try for saying,
your family Ebenezer. My favorite for about the
Ebenezer, you.
You may be a mamma. And then, me, mammy, no one fun for being because it's to Quan, Yamini Aquaba. I said, that man.
Amen. Amen.
Now, your performance no more to see to I have Ramon no moon, I am on giant.
You.
And your mamma.
Okay. Right. Yeah, that's now. I quite back could know him mobile. Say, dear, make us your course swab on time, Mr. Make was a boy back could be. It was a tramoy. I found not that for on your tea, dear course with tea. Scate, I want food and Drana, Crawford did. Obitiano crown tea. It later, Sana. Ubi quatrain to one corner. Oh, you're a day. Now, a day over the show music. I was again. Why am fine saying, I can't say. Hello. Yes, good afternoon, Joe.
Afternoon, Abokadia.
Yamiadumo.
Yes, to which Abema comes.
You yet you, Emilia.
Of a man, Radiation, and I mean, can't air course or my gun and be. Ochedium for boss, or near that say 2 million crane in area. While Nanti for so, Nankans, who are Australia or Trabia. As I say, so your nonsense, so wow, to so well, yeah, that was the Emma Mu. Ewa come for Shira with Emma in so and none of pay. Send them so what I told you, upon you, we are bravo, so near Bravo, I have from Fred. That was the I don't from a team for, I don't from a Juma for, the soft penny, soft watching, and I have with none of pay job for it. That was it. But Jeremy Karakra, or my Ghana, dear was air. I said, you Ghana, you didn't pay for Ghana, Ziam penny for any and penny for any Kodana, Danin Koda, you penny in Wakoda, no man at Twabumusa, your pay. So Sky Crabby or yet your pro Ghana. And Ghana penny for and you say, oh, you're penny. Sorry, you also your penny for next form. Now, baby, your mind is going to see I know what day. I know what day. Yamisha don't count. Bye bye.
Bye bye. Bye bye. Adiwe, Minim Unipacono, Nidian Casa, but the name I'm seeing here is Debbie's _beauty _clinic. At you for a muti, me bet now see. Asemwa me beka yi me defend artist bi there. Ayana minim said ye binum a reason. I just saw something on Instagram. Picture me try event in Arsenal. Obi akotro that me I should stop defending Stone Boy and be natural. Asemwa bet na making. Come on minim boy. Me defend Obi. You see, say how people follow people blindly. And to be BR, then they just talk anyhow because you have the phone and you have data on it, so you can go on social media and write anything you want. Me banama benya wa botenama block you from you. Me, I don't see. I won't talk about this because that's not me. Hello.
Hello, Jelly, good afternoon.
Good afternoon.
I'm back to what to say.
Nyame adom ye ho.
And then the Yamia said in Sakam.
And then the odem.
Oh, Mr. Jerry. The Yamia says so a boy a home by. Yeah, that's what you come. I have family root.
You, sister.
And then person make can so I used to say. And Kabayanka Munja Sata. Any son boy, Munja or Munyon Bonnie, who say, O Muni Hona and what toy. Tell the bear some tea, Babanchi. Madame, I say,
and they are about to say now, Council. I can't be doing with Jones Yanka. I know my level, Cardi Boom. No, there, Yababo. Oh, but Cassandra is a catcher chrom now at your telephone, so you 2 or 4. Now almost your my dream. So what I say, that is it. Hello,
Jelly.
good afternoon.
Afternoon, sir.
Patrol, you're frosty.
Patakata wine, Brahma Cocos.
You,
Jelly, maybe the Anquura, Yano, I am mamma. As soon as do, in a dead radias in Mamma Busia, the dead radias in my memory.
Amen.
Jelly, dear cousin. Yeah, Ghana Funa, and I to the dear, I saw one, sir, and you who was a can in Pierre Deck, who was a your man, who was a cassie. Maybe I can't could the Anka, what is it? 1 year, at the other yard said, oh, yeah, no, the other suit. You can penetrate the set of him, Brayard man. Yet you want him, Brayard man. Yes, she'll be. Ghana for.
That's where that's a pa and a dear also. Yes, Yamfa last 2 years, last but one. But you're say,
yeah, family doctor, no matter what going to market.
Okay, doc, you too.
You may see, don't show up for the first what is for he. And then you see that Homianti will be a press close be a they were not Jerry, I mean, cousin show. Umiana could do not me and carry my home. Say if you work on them artist business, why didn't you for them now? What is wrong with that? What if I need a year? We are aware, so we have to find the idea of a penny class of Bonnie, so for your Bonnie. I did Catawala in 1 year. What did you do? Will be a young carry. What's only I would do more read what they are to Facebook. Say, who bear Masabasa. What I told you that's 1 hour of bear Masabasa. It's one of what is so who's there. I'm sure we bet club attacking them because what can be a pay. What is that? The money can be a that. It's no as much as 2 feet along, and I said, Facebook, what true for any year. I don't know what's so I find what I read. So for the body, once or a man will bet you to go. Who can't live down Mamma Yama? I didn't say only in Cuban and yet, where why? About that, if you know about I don't know,
and I'm out for a fun World Cup. See, Munyabutre, fine. Munyabutre, for last one. Hello. Yes, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Jerry Joseph.
Patrick Frozen.
Patrick from Joseph, because it's free, I want the Eastern region.
You okay, Joseph, you too.
Patrick, the air force of the I know. So, say, more will be cry. I in fact, says, I do my deal with soon. I'm a Papa Unity. Now, on 1 way, I'll have to deal with you almost owned by anything. Indeed, I am almost be now. One thing is that they are much tough one of the night. I am not a coffee to one be ever. The other any year, let's say, I'm over here, man. I at a question. Yes,
you're Darcy. Yes, you're Darcy. Pa, 8 me far of free beer beam. Influence here, now, your father canoe. And trust over the other side. Son, the man fecal spray starch when you be now the good attack. There's now to a mile on a very easy crowd. So, pine to spray a chance and answer. Would you go at any that crowd bet to a win any more fine? They nice fragrance as well. It's a one you see perfume crowd. Well, fine, right? Say on time perfume. They are fine. Fecal spray starch to attack in here. What's the baby? What's it? I say. It's looking sharp. Names you fecal spray starch. Another quality product from Samara Company Limited. They are available. Our shops, stores, supermarkets. Out on Ina, Emo. Petra Trust. Also, Dutch me and your wife may say, "We are Juma." And Dutch you call retirement and Yama Beko ye, and they saw to me check no who they call. Now, watch and feel that you'll be called retirement. No fear, near my basa. Time no solve problems. It is so to me the state of your pension contributions. Now, fake crown, wash it, say, oh, employer and OTR tier 2 contributions regularly and you be a cry. Trustee bay and obey your lump sum benefits at the amount at retirement. Yes, so to me take his advice. We now new employer be Kasasi. No one who trustee, no one verify who details need now. And if there's the need for you to correct any irregularities, be an NSI. A Kobaso pension, it is being managed by Petra Dia, and we are very simple. Just dial *447*70#. Now I select option 5 to submit your contact details for verification. For further inquiries, visit www.petratrust.com. Petra, achieve more. If you are not so now, anymore. Kojak farmer. Also, was saying, Udi are there, and are there, she, and are there, code pan. Now, was saying, you should Kojak F toothpaste in the mouthwash, a big eye. What they know, they pie, and also, no creator, new to Muja, choosing a bear or yas, and idea. You should Kojak P toothpaste in the mouthwash continuously for 4 weeks. Later, no one switch it to Kojak F. Big eye. Hope a best result. I now the Kojak sensitive toothbrush and account. Nina available pharmacy shops. I don't need them across the country. Do drop panel. Kojak from a check when Kanshi drag lane. And yes, our phrase 0249-209-920 and our phrase 0260-870-780. FDA for our previous anchor to internet me drew us me. If you're not so radio on the farmer. Guarantee Trust Bank Ghana Limited. And then, Omo Akwenya, I'm with me and winning trip to AFCON 2019. Yeah. Guarantee Trust Bank and a Visa International rewarded customers on making payments with their Visa debit and then prepaid cards with an unforgettable AFCON experience. The free Saturday Alcopim the 10th of June 2019. Two customers on use of Visa cards and they are transacting business. I mean a minimum of 20 online and then POS transactions. They are eligible, so on beat me a winning. You know, a fun-packed trip for 2 to Egypt. No one can share any AFCON group stage game of their choice. Now, one lucky customer so ebe winning the ultimate package to travel with their ward, who will escort a star player from the tunnel to the pitch. So between June and July, make sure you use your GT Bank Visa card to do at least one transaction daily for a week. What me in your pass to an AFCON viewing party. So transact with your GT Bank Visa card and win. Terms and conditions apply. For further inquiries, phrase 050-144-9490 and I'll phrase 050-140-9480. Guarantee Trust Bank. Wouldn't you rather bank with us? Finally, I'm fast day on Emma. Hey, and I'm away. Oh, say my back on Canada. Never. Okay. Where Minister Larry Ofori. Yeah, Baba. Yeah, they are the one here, right here. Yeah, why? I'll lift my voice and I'll sing to you, Baba. And now, Willie birthday. Willie of Willie and Mike. Happy birthday to you, bro. And I'll sing to you, Baba. Yeah. Me pacho, Brane Behumina, Ebejo birthday present. Why? Willie of Willie and Mike. Happy birthday to you, bro. May God bless you. On count, Hona Chese. DBI fine. Now, oh, wife you are now. Oh, around. Come in, Chena, Ibima. Oh, yeah. Nyamisha wati na onye kese de waka fa ho nyina o memrem wakoma so ade nyina onye ma e fan show no ani din kronkron anunya amen. I can't see MTN, Roma insecticide spray, Bima insurance, and Kojak charcoal toothpaste. Your barber shop somewhere to you for an area.
With the me, I'll change my makeup while I have breath. 106.3 with jamming beats on the beat. Never. Yeah.
And I don't know, I see Intiafe, Intia Samoa, Yeditionfo, and area. Oh, few consumer so. And then as somewhere did to your home for what you made use of what Professor Massem say. Don't let negative and toxic people rent space in your head. Raise the rent and kick them out. There are people who hate you for no reason. Just forgive them and move on. Simple. Don't let negative and toxic people rent space in your head. Raise the rent and kick them out. There are people who hate you for no reason. Just forgive them and move on. It's as simple as that. If you ask me, everything about them is negative. When they do something positive, they will still see the negativity in that thing. But nothing positive. Safono. Emfa wadwen wahoden unsusuye ubibia emma safono. Don't give them space in your head. But the many account say, don't give those people chance in your life at all. And it goes on to say, raise the rent and kick them out. Now, by so doing, it's like someone down they rent now. Tenant be a stubborn not to you. The own pen and one way with you. A yes, and yes, train. Time no swan. As I was, as I said, Dino, me find he said the Namiji. She said, would you bobo to me already out of space? No one boss abo. She says, a dance and I'm danger. So there be everywhere they meet you and you media corner, you beat me merrent. And one no, kick them out. Boko. And then Kokuntokwa. And then Koye Gidi. Say now, Jimmy Fiana is in me to my rent, me to Derby. If you're right, ye ding. Time or so very new rent now. What's it called? Say, Danny saying I'm did you. Say if you run out, so there be a certain wedding. Say the major. Oh, where they meet you any ultimate. Quite not do bet me bar. Simple. A talk as him. No enough you are bra bombo. That is how we should do. Because anybody will react more. No matter what you do, there are people who will hate you for no reason. When you're in a but on this, I can cry and buafu. When you only pay, but on Nante Cacra, so you are Chanka Canocrano, not Enocrano, a match as a what draw when he would dress in Kakakra, Tabi Kakabia making a be a fecus praise touching why you don't deal with so much as a near door, which is what share crache. Would you a Chaka Cracrano, and she so he hates you. But reason why? Don't quarrel with them. Forgive such people. Just forgive them and move on with your life. It's as simple as that. And you being KK and you being kunyamina se probini ade. Those people, just avoid them and move on. As if say she insie ne bo bra. Odi we edi we nimu a. Da bia oni obi ani asem. Obeko baby aba baby asumrem. Don't let negative and toxic people rent space in your head. Raise the rent and kick them out. There are people who hate you for no reason. Just forgive them and move on. When you are somewhere in there, you did too young for. You first swasida and my proud sponsors. MTN and they my crew my debt. A day I out do phone here. Or call internet in this one. Hilarious videos in the idea. It's so cool in the idea. Comment in the can home. Will you be any pictures near the idea should be? And now stay in touch with your friends. And they Obabe enjoy 50 MB worth of free data to browse your favorite site everywhere you go. Very simple. Simply call your loved ones. You only pay for the first minute of your call on MTN free after one, and the rest of your call free. You won't now I'm saying I enjoy free 50 MB data to browse your favorite site. So just dial *315# next sign the apps is here. We there for you everywhere you go. Terms and conditions apply. Roma insecticide spray is soon now start to know to chan say June July. And I want when ya and turn to me on bet it why baby asian na hospital akwenya ba san say malaria betete patcho bo onu abusuan ho ban wa use Roma insecticide spray in a coil ebekum tuntumi na ama mada I feel good we no instantly mosquitoes na flying and crawling insects ahodo nyina ekomu nyina na ja nice and pleasant fragrance them one after use. The mosquito coil no sa smokeless ne santi empu wisi and the kata ne cold ne yibia ba beje jam subia bibia be fine e de amam wabra mo yusu bi obi ampe bi e kira kwan our shops ne stores ne supermarkets out doing in Roma insecticide spray ne coil and Tonton Master, another quality product from Samara Company Limited. Your first day dioma Bima Insurance oguso sorti amount for it also my kwan na Bima and sortil kama now with as little as 6 cities and they only your family bet me I enjoy unlimited medical advice from a Bima doctor over the phone. No sure the yeah not just say was solve problem in the amount just say I sortil one sounds no bet me receive extra cash for your medication and lab test wabra oyare plus a maximum payout of up to 1,500 cedis. A bet me I order and now family member be there wabra ya admit to a hospital and they be my sort of problems now want to say who for policy and now receive claims na tire no I have very easy cry on Airtel Tigo money and MTN mobile money wallet and so but they are sort of pro net them no I free into so my coin na Bima and sort of sign up now 0277 000 545 and let us get you sorted. Your policies no they are underwritten by Alliance. Bima, protecting the future of every family. Finally, Kojak charcoal toothpaste. The only any way toothpaste the bidie na bidie de soja ya charcoal. As a wunya bia. E boa mo wanum te okasa nka bia mo wanum. E bo ogam no so ban no sinyina ma hoden bam. And the can say stains was so ebia wanom coffee saa na tea saa red wine ne colored foods ne ade besin wa ria cigarette is a wotwe ani ama stains about so used to Kojak charcoal toothpaste ubon say ebe clear stains ni na wo sene so na IFFF fita kama pa do baby house re na anwe sisi ya na o ginchia e pacho e available ewo pharmacy shops awodo ni na mu across the country do pa no hwehwe Kojak from a chair kwan wo Kanji drug lane na onsabeka de ohia bia yes afre 0249 209 920 and afre 0244 674 and kratwe FD4 I munhwe mu agya tum say correct na how bia nso eni achi na ye ba betie nwum kakra na ye de nkomo afa saa nwum no esan say onipa ko a obo saa nwum no wa ha and then maybe some questions because this I am say hey sir why no feature brand here na just one dogu mu ani ade yi and then ba be bo ehun komo akra in the meantime Mr. Raphael Mensah ya do na friend say Ralph celebrity in birthday and na oye teacher wo Salvation Army JHS wo Mamprobi na wono chese na wodi birthday ni na chese nyame nsira enhira na yesre e de ama no se nyame onhira no na onye no kese pa we officially nchen or the fee latte okoshi ene baye ya ode e we show happy birthday the emotion pa na we so say please help me thank God for adding a year to my sweetheart's age yesterday the 19th of May. She is in the person of Mrs. Comfort Ama Adepa Papebi Wiafe. That is a great Wiafe na or shining a wife for Sano. And no asem no. Na birthday shout we yemfa eno and sorry so. We a Mrs. Linian Ekuba Afulabi. Our Church of Pentecost Graceland PIWC Nungwa na ne wawda. Mama nyame show na onye okese we fi kunu na fi o manon chen Elder Rashid Michael Maxwell Michelle na Manasseh omuna say omo we show happy birthday nyame we show na onye okese okay iti pacho enwum ni